Hello. Today I'm going to make a little tool, a lower die for this. Basically, we're going to make the same sort of thing like that, but we're going to make it into a die that will do linear stretching. I'll show you how it works after, but for now I've got a bit of scrap that I've got laying around here. So that's going to be the lower part, and we're going to shape that into the die that we want. So have a watch, see how you go. If you like what you see, like and subscribe, and drop a comment if you want. Cheers. Okay, so we got our basic shape. Just that's going to go on here. It's 20mm, which is the same size as the planishing hammer dies. I'm just going to clean it up a little bit on the bench grinder, and then we'll weld that on. Go. It's welded on. Now let's just turn it over and start shaping it the right way. Very cool. Well, working a bit better than we thought. That worked very well. I'm going to keep going and see how far we can take it, eh?
Yeah.
We'll keep going? Yeah, you can see where it's hitting. It does good. You see, that's this thing here, the bottom die hitting on this, and it's stretching it, and that's what makes it curve.
Oh.
So we'll keep going, we'll do a bit more, eh? If you want. Alright, put it back here. Set it about there, I reckon. Alright, we ready?
Oh no.
Yeah, check that out though. Make sure you're looking at it. Stand back a little bit. Right. So, we've stretched it heaps. Smooth on the nice side, and then stretched on that side. That worked.
Dusty.
Really good. Very dusty. Get your finger out of it. Alright, so.
That's my dad. That's my dad, guys.
You should do more. What's the time? I don't know. Let's do a little bit more, eh? I reckon that'll do it.
Louder.
Have a look at that. What do you reckon? A little hat. So yeah, so basically that's all we ended up with, just a little homemade die for the bottom, and it really does, works so well. That's exactly what I was hoping for, and it was so much better than I actually thought it would be. So if you don't know what linear stretching is, basically it's just a line. So those lines, each line is stretching instead of shrinking. You can do it on the kick shrinker, but this is very cool. It's leaves the surface all smooth. All right, so it took me a bit of mucking around, but it's pretty much just a rough die. I haven't polished it or anything yet. I'm going to end up polishing it up, and we'll see how nice we can refine it and make it look really good. But it works perfect like that shape from not even maybe 2 minutes of planishing, and it's only a planishing hammer as well, so it's not even a you know, it's not a power hammer or anything like that, but it works so good. It's pretty much exactly what I need. I've got a project coming up basically straight after Christmas, and I will see how we go. But for now, I'm going to go have a shower, and yeah, have a good Christmas everyone. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you next week.